Look, I don't know. It's acne treatment, okay? I know when I don't know how to pronounce this word. I'm not gonna even try. And I know when I put this on, my pimples. And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button, also turn that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's start this journey together. Okay guys, so as you read by the title, today's video is going to be my realistic nighttime routine. This is way overdue. I did my morning routine. If you have not checked that out, go ahead and check that out now. Click off this video, go watch that video now, and then come back when you're finished. I've actually been in the house all day today. Honestly, I haven't been doing anything. That's why my hair looks a hot mess. Don't judge me. I did try to do my little edges, you know, to get on the camera and look a little decent, but I washed and blow dried my hair today. So I was like, why not? I've been in the house all day. It's been raining, Louisiana weather. But I'm not gonna hold you guys. Let's jump straight into the video. All right, y'all. So I'm trying to learn this new tripod because it is very challenging. So I might be a little lopsided, but yeah. So it is. Let me see what time it is. Where's my phone? My phone? It is 6:29. So I'm about to wash my hand and cook some shrimp tacos. I already cleaned and rinsed the shrimp, so all I gotta do is cut them up and season them. But let me get the shells out of the way. You want these? Well, I wasn't gonna fry them. Hello? Huh? I wasn't gonna fry them. Okay. So these are the shells that I'm going to use. They are flour tortilla fajita, super soft. I was gonna fry them, but I don't feel like frying them, honestly. I really do want some fried ones though, but I'm just eat them soft. About to go wash my hands. I'll be back. All right, y'all. So like I said, the shrimp are already washed and clean. I'm about to just cut them up. All right, y'all, all the shrimp have been cut up. Now we're about to season them. All right, y'all, so don't come for me because this is not gonna be cross-contamination. I wipe all my stuff down after I get done, okay? So yeah, y'all cook how y'all cook, I cook how I cook. First, gonna do some onion powder. Then we're gonna do a garlic powder. And we're going to do accent salt, not regular salt, accent salt. Then salt. I hate salt. And then we're going to do some Tony's no salt. And lastly we're gonna do some Old Bay. So this is what it's gonna look like, and you're gonna mix it up. Once again, my hands are clean, okay? My hands are clean. This is what it's gonna look like after being mixed. We're gonna set this to the side. All right, so now we're going to take some olive oil and spray our pan that has been washed. Then we're going to take some Creole seasoning, and I am lazy. Like I said, quick meal. Shrimp tacos are quick and easy, so I already chopped up. We're going to take a tablespoon. All right, now we're going to cut the fire up to about 6. While it's heating up, we are going to put everything in the dishwasher that we're using. Clean as you go. Alright, remember what I told y'all? No cross. Ignore those rugs back there. I gotta wash that. Okay, just ignore it. No cross contamination. We're gonna wipe down our seasonings that we use. Alright, y'all, so now it's browned how I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the shrimp. Let this turn pink. And alright, y'all, so this thing right here, it can only be hand washed, and I'm gonna do that last because this take a lot of work. If you know, it's bamboo. Alright, y'all, now we're gonna check on the shrimp. We are going to just toss them around. Alright, y'all, so this is what they look like. I'm gonna turn the fire off right there like that. I'm gonna move on to the shells. How many tacos you need? I'm going to wet a paper towel first. So I only want 2. Gonna wrap the paper towel in the tortillas. I think I'm gonna wet like 1 more paper towel. Put it on 30 seconds. I like to put salsa on my shrimp tacos, so I'm gonna put some salsa in a bowl. Got my salsa bowl. What I like to do is take them out of here and put them in a bowl because we're gonna eat all of it. Okay. Alright, y'all, this is what everything looks like. Salsa, shrimp. I don't eat Velveeta cheese on my tacos. I eat taco blend. Ah, put the ink on my cheek.
You home?
What time is it? Like about 8 o'clock. It's on the second. But I feel like it's like I gotta take a shower. I'm gonna order stuff. What you looking like that for?
Boy.
My purse. Alright, you guys, so I am back on the cam. It is 8:29. I have finished washing the cutting board, cleaned up the kitchen, and started the dishwasher. So if you hear that in the background, that's what that is, the dishwasher. So now I'm about to get ready to take a shower, pretty much chill the rest of the night. So I need to order something. First thing I gotta do before I take a shower is tie my hair up because I just washed my hair and I don't, yeah, I'm about to tie my hair up. Let's be festive since Valentine's Day is, you know, right around the corner. This is actually a scarf that I got from work and I use it as a hair tie. It's terrible, I know, but it gets the job done. Yeah, I need my bones popping and shit. Now, we about to take us a shower. So now I'm about to go take a shower. I am going to lotion myself down. I use the Johnson & Johnson lotion for babies. And yes, this really works. So I'm going to lotion myself down and I'm gonna come back. Alright, so now I'm about to cleanse my face with the different. I have on my spa headband because like I said, we're not trying to get our hair wet. But I think that shower was so hot that my edges sweated out. But I'm gonna go in with the vitamin C serum by Mario Badescu. I don't brush my teeth until after I'm like literally about to like lay down because I snack throughout the night. I know. This is a realistic night routine, okay? I'm gonna take a few drops. 1, 2, 3. Warm it up. I almost took my nose off. Alright, try not to get it with my lashes, because if you know, you know. If you know, you know. So I am going through a bit of a breakout because Mother Nature is about to come kick my behind. Yeah, you know how that goes. So I'm going to apply some of the different gel, and you're supposed to put it in like your problem areas. My whole face is my problem area. That's how I know homegirl gonna come. Massage it in. Look at it. She be doing too much. Like, alright, y'all. So now we are about to. Let's keep doing this. We are about to call my man and take some of these cards off. Hey Siri, call Bay, iPhone on speaker.
Calling Bay, iPhone on speaker.
You asleep? What are you on, TikTok? Get my headphones because I know y'all want to hear him egg. Alright, so now I'm about to pick out some pajamas. Alright, y'all, so my perfume is a little bit different at night. I like to wear Bath and Body Works Just Mist because I'm going to bed. Like, you still smell like something, but I'm not putting on a designer perfume to go to sleep. Sorry, I just can't do it. Call me crazy, but this is my realistic nighttime routine. I'm going to spray my clothes first because, like I said, my skin is very sensitive. I have eczema. I do not like to get perfume or mist anything on my skin.
So now I'm just browsing, trying to find the purse that I was looking for that I was talking about earlier. And also I'm buying a gift for a baby shower that I'm attending.
I've been wanting this bag for forever. And I'm about to get it, okay? I'm about to order her right now. Baby shower, check, done. Now I am about to turn off all the lights, make me some tea, and wind down and find a movie to watch. So let's do that. Turn this off. Using the organic 100% raw honey and the Yogi bedtime tea. Gonna get a measuring cup, 8 ounces, and then we're gonna put this in the microwave.
While the water is boiling, I went ahead and put away the cutting board that I used earlier and got my tea bag ready. This is just me being silly.
Alright, so we're gonna pour the water in. It's hot. Open up the rest of the tea bag. Got a grapefruit. Sparkling ice. Good. I'm gonna let this steep for 7 minutes. Let's read what it says because it always has these cute little quotes on it. It says, the only thing that can limit you is believing that you are limited. Become limitless. Period. Alright, so while that is steeping, I'm gonna put some water, fill this up, put some water in it to put into my oil diffuser. And these are the drops. It's called Sleep Blend. It has lavender and chamomile. I'm gonna do like 3 little drops. Put the top back on. Throw the remote in the bed because I'm gonna need it. Make sure it's flipped up. Oh. What? Sorry. We had a blackout. I don't turn it on until like I'm getting ready to go to bed. Like, because when I tell y'all that thing really puts you to sleep, like if you don't want to go to sleep, do not turn it on. Because as soon as I turn that thing on, I'll be asleep in the next like 5 minutes. Literally 5 to, I say 5 to 10. But it really works. Like, it really works. I think my tea is ready, so let's go check on that. Tea is done. Take this out. Now we're gonna add honey. I like to take the cap off because I like a lot of honey. Like a lot of honey. And I just squeeze it. And then this honey is like crystallized, so I have to warm it and all that. Like, no, we ain't got time for that. You see how it's coming out? That's what I want. Clump of honey. That's good. And it's gonna like dissolve on its own. So, a spoon. And stir, honey. Stir, stir. I'm about to turn the light off and head to the bedroom. Y'all be surprised. I only sleep with one pillow, and it's really flat. Like really, really flat.
So before going to bed, I always check my social medias. Then I put on something on TV and scroll through TikTok and laugh the rest of the night.
So now I'm about to brush my teeth and take my contacts out. Alright, so now I'm gonna floss with the Glide Oral-B. It also has a floss threader because I have permanent retainer at the bottom. At nighttime, I like to use a different mouthwash than I use in the morning. I use the Act Restoring. It's good for strengthening your enamel, soft spots. It helps to prevent decay and it freshens your breath. The most important thing, actually the most important thing is no decay, but they go hand in hand. And while I'm gargling this, I'm gonna take I'm gonna attempt to take my contacts out. So last thing for oral hygiene, it's gonna be my retainers. I hate this thing. If you know, then you know. This is the one that I wear at night. Rinse that off. Just pop this bad boy in. This makes me talk with a lisp, so don't make fun of me, okay? I put in my teeth assistants. I feel like ass told by Ginger. Oh my god, see? I'm already talking with a lisp. It's terrible. It's so terrible, y'all. 10:39, which means it's time to get back to the bed, okay? So let's go. Alright, y'all, so before I go to bed, I like to put a bottle of water because I be waking up with a cotton mouth with this thing in my mouth. So if you know, you know. We're gonna put this on the side of the bed. Also, before I go to bed, I put on some Carmex. Oh, I gotta tell you guys, I like to sleep with a noise machine on. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn on. Gonna put it on warm. Turn dim the brightness, just like that. And this is my noise machine. It's also a night light. Yeah, I'm very childish, but I need noise to go to sleep. This is what it sounds like. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to call it a night. I'm about to turn on Pretty Little Liars and watch TV till I fall asleep. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. You can follow me on my Instagram at Ashley Sheree and on my TikTok the same at Ashley Sheree, or on my Snapchat a.ashley with 3 Y's. That's AYE.ASHLEYYY. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Just thanks for clicking on this video. Good night, okay? Because I'm tired. And don't make fun of my least either. Good night.